was not even used to your mother.
We went to my mom's village to inform them that, first of all, we went there with cola nuts and
still have my pumpkin leaf shredded.
At first, the whole thing was just very funny to me because they already know that she's dead, but we're trying to follow traditional rites. Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel. I look a hot mess, like I look so not put together, but it's okay, you know. I'm still mourning my mom. I just really want to start this video by saying a very huge thank you for the love and support you guys gave me in my last video. It has been massive, even gaining new subscribers from the video. It has all been massive. Your prayers really worked very well, and by God's grace my family is going to be fine. Okay, sorry for the noise you guys are hearing at the background. You know, this is early hours of the morning. People are trying to get things done or something. So yes, I want to give you guys an update on what is going on currently. So we just informed my mom's people. We went to her village to inform them of her death. I did not vlog that part because I didn't feel the need, and we are trying to keep some things, you know, undercover and let out the ones that we want to let out. So we also went to see her in the mortuary. Guys, it was as if I'm looking at a different person. Honestly speaking, it was as if I was looking at a different person. It felt so unreal to me that this woman is actually gone. Life is just meaningless, to be honest with you. You'll be brought into this world, you will live till a certain age, and you pass out. So what's the point of coming into this life in the first place? Anyway, this is just me thinking out loud. We followed some traditional rites to break the news to her family that she was gone, because we can't just tell their family that all of a sudden she died. So when we went to the village, according to the Igbo tradition, for those of you that are not Nigerians, you may not understand it. So in Nigeria, a tribe Igbo, which is one of the main tribes in Nigeria, the way we break news to people that are gone, especially if her family does not know that she was sick, or if they know that she was sick and they didn't know that the sickness was that in-depth. Okay, so first of all, even though some of them know that she's dead, what they will do is like the way we did it on Sunday was that we went to my mom's village to inform them that, first of all, we went there with cola nuts and 2 bottles of wine. The first thing we did was to tell them that she was sick. The sickness was very terrible. We took her to the hospital. She's receiving treatment rather. So that was just what we told them. At first, the whole thing was just very funny to me because they already know that she's dead, but we're trying to follow traditional rites. Okay, so we told them that one. Then one person from there was like, are we giving her medicine? In my mind, I wanted to laugh, but to be honest, I kept quiet. I wanted to answer the person, but I just kept quiet. Then my uncle now told them, yes, we gave her all the best, you know, everything. We made sure we took care of her, blah blah blah. And later on, after he finished explaining himself, he now said that we are going to receive a phone call, that there's a phone call that we were answering, but we kept it on hold. Okay, so we got up, left the house, and strolled around the environment, that's outside the house. Then after like 5 minutes or 10 minutes, if we're not up to 10 minutes, after like roughly 5 minutes, we went back into the house again. We sat down. Then we now said that we have received the call, and the call was like that. The information that was passed through the call was that she has gone, she has left the world, that she's dead. And they took it like, like I said, people they already know that she was dead, but we're trying to follow traditional rites. So the woman there, she was crying. Probably she did not know, or maybe she was also trying to follow traditional rites and cry as somebody that heard someone died, something like that. So that was it. One of the ways I try to cure my boredom or relieve myself of any negative thoughts is by doing exercise, journaling, speaking good words, positive words to myself, affirmations, exercising like I mentioned earlier. So this is past 8 in the morning. I'm going to exercise now. I don't even understand my complexion. Today I feel like I'm fair, tomorrow I feel like I'm dark. What is all this? Yeah, by the way, this was as a result of wound. I placed my hand on a hot tool straightener, my friend's straightener, when I went to her house, so, and it burnt my hand. As for my hair, I don't even know what to do to this hair. Hey, this hair will have to be like this till I move back to Zaria, because yes, I'll just cover it. I brought hair tie. I'll just cover it because I don't even want to start touching it, because God knows I'm not going to take care of it very well. That's the update I have for you guys. So let the show begin. And I don't know about some of you, I love to chew gum while doing workout. So I don't know, just to keep my mouth busy, nothing else. So yeah, this is how it comes, like this. And by the way, this is not sponsored, please, it's not sponsored.
Have you seen the sun? Have you seen the moon? They are shining light for you. Yeah. Have you seen the stars shining in the dark? 'Cause God is still watching you. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Everything gon' be alright. Everything gon' be alright.
And that is a wrap.
Everything goes down right. 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 Everything's gonna be alright. Everything's gonna be alright. Watching you. Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Daddy, should I cook food for you?